is a god.
Alright man, what is up? So back in a new video. As you can see, baby, I kind of got this shoe a while back. I filmed this video. I thought I had it somewhere. I checked all my memory cards, dude, all of them, checked them all, plugged them each all into the camera, looked through every single file. I couldn't find it, man. It was only like 3 clips of me talking, unboxing the shoe. But basically my first goat purchase. There's, StockX, goat, just resale. I didn't want to pay resale for this shoe, but I was like, I really want it. And it's like the perfect summertime shoe. Let me just show you. Y'all seen the title? Let me give y'all a quick glance at the box. Size 10. Now this is, like I said, first purchase ever from StockX. My bad. Fuck StockX. I heard they sell fakes. First purchase from GOAT. That's the reason why I went towards GOAT. Usually, I did buy a Supreme jacket off of StockX. That's it though. But I do look at StockX just because the app layout's a little cleaner than GOAT. I mean, I'm getting used to GOAT. I'm kind of using that more. But yeah, so StockX isn't the only market. So I just went next door, went to GOAT. You feel? And yeah, basically that's where we're at. And this foam runner, I did kind of get it because at the time it was like one of the cheaper ones. Not to mention that I do really like the color. This is worn. I bought it brand new. But yeah, like I said, I don't know what happened to the original files of me unboxing this. But is this shoe real? As far as from what I could tell, I think so. Made in US, foam runner. I wish I had the original clip, because let me show y'all. I'll try to show y'all here, but if not, I'll get like some cool B-roll shots. But basically inside here, it says like the shoe, the size, blah blah blah, right? It says foam runner. That's what this is. And then it says Lewis, made in USA. I was like, who the fuck is Lewis? Or Luis. It could be like, like a Mexican name, right? But then you look more into it. Maybe I just overthink things a lot. It says 10 US. It does not say Lewis. It does not say Luis. It's 10 US. I feel a little dumb on that. Just because I heard like StockX sells fakes or whatever, it got me thinking like, dang, does GOAT sell fakes too? But like, as far as from what I could tell, shoes real deal, Holyfield. Have been wearing it for the past couple weeks. Stay tuned for a video. I'm gonna show y'all like how this shoe holds up. Cause that's another thing. I didn't want to buy this shoe because it's like, I think $80 retail. I paid I think it said like 200 I think, or 205, but then after shipping tax I think it was like 215 for these, maybe 220 after shipping tax, all the fees, blah blah blah. This Jordan here is also, I think this is probably like 220 retail after tax and stuff, 238 and some change, basically 240. It feels weird paying 240 for this because retail's so like under that. But I've worn this shoe way more than this shoe already. And this is when this dropped, 2019. This is the most recent release. I can't really see the inside tag, but yeah, Bread 4's love them for sure. Look wise, I'm still going with the Bread Force, but just to go take out the trash real quick, go to Target, get some groceries, whatever you're doing. Probably not the gym. I may take these to the gym like once just for a YouTube video, just to show you like, is it possible? Not a cardio day for sure. No way. We're gonna kill this. I don't want to. Hey, the YouTube check isn't coming in like that just to burn through. Yeah, now let's not do that. But yeah, I wish I had those original clips that I had when I unboxed this, but kind of it worked out on the better. Oh, let me mention this to ya. These shoes do fit maybe a tad bit big, or maybe my 350s are a size off. Because when you buy these, almost everyone says size up, right? I don't know, man. In my 350s, Yeezy 350s, I get a size 10. That fits me perfect. Like for the most part, Nike shoes, I'm like a 9.5, right? Well, except for Jordan 1s, those fit me a little big. I could do like a 9 in those. But yeah, 9.5 in 350s, that's a little too tight for me. So I go 10, fits me better. These, I wish I could do a 9.5, but I can't. Kind of wish I would have went with the 9, but then what if that's too small? So I just stayed with the 10, right? Should be good. But when I got these, they did fit a tad bit too big. Now I'm gonna do it anyways because I want to show somebody. I did it already just because I wanted to wear the shoe that day. But you could shrink them, man. Throw them in the dryer, wrap a towel basically, and yeah, stay tuned for that video. I'll show you how to do it. The shoe is exactly what you think it is. It is more durable than what you may think it may be. Kind of think of it as a Croc, but like a Pro Max version, if you will. You know, if you're big into phones, iPhones and stuff. Yeah, I say the Croc is like an iPhone 13, and this is like a 13 Pro Max. I mean, if you get it, I don't know. But yeah, comment down below if you have any foam runners. Do y'all like them? I know some people, like my mom, doesn't like these at all, which that's cool. You know, I like them tons. But let me show y'all these. If y'all stayed this far in the video, this right here, GOAT purchase. Oh, let me mention this also. I don't think it matters too much, but just to mention it. Yeah, these shoes are made in US, but I think the box I have. Dang, my bad. Yeah, I'm all over the place. I forgot to show y'all the box. Just gonna clear that. This part threw me off here. I was like, what the what is that? But the shoes did they shipped from Hong Kong, right? And then I was thinking, like, what the heck? The shoe said made in US, so why would it go from US to Hong Kong? What? But yeah, I'm in the US, right? So I kind of was just thinking like, oh, shoes come to US, but like, duh, that's not how it works. Shoes go to Europe, England, I don't know the exact states and countries, but overseas, right? And that's what this is. 'Cause I was looking at this box more. It says Adidas EU, Amsterdam, the Netherlands. Kind of like on the bottom here. Dang, is it gonna focus? Yeah, hopefully I could see that. But yeah, this is like a EU. What's that? Europe? A Europe pair, I guess. Oh, I wonder if all the other international pairs look like this. Yeah, y'all comment down below. Let me know. Because look, I think this may be an international pair. I think they do 2 stickers, right? 2 boxes. One for the world, and then one for US. Cause look, foam runner. This box is so cool. It's kind of like a 350 box, but like inside out. But look at the tag inside here, right? It's all like, it says, what does it say? 44 UK? Nah, 10 UK, 275. I wonder if that's the UK sizing, and that may be like is it Japan? Hong Kong? It may be like another form of sizing there. I think that's what that may be. Too, I was thinking like, dang, what if GOAT got me for some fakes or something? But like, they look good to me as far as I could tell. And the places to tell is like in these eyelets, all the holes basically. Honestly, dude, I'm kind of a nerd, or a smart nerd at least. You should research everything before you like buy it, or you know. So after buying them, I did look at some videos to even before, just so I could kind of get a grasp on how they should feel, what they should look like, you know, what I should expect. And yeah, if your foam runners have like the holes just aren't clearly cut, you'll be able to see it when you see it. But you know, to me this looks all good money. I haven't heard no bad things about GOAT. I wish I would have got them retail though. That would have been cool. But I got very lucky. A few days later, this I paid resale. Sucks, but I really like this shoe a lot. I kind of wanted to pay resale. Hey, stay tuned for the next video. If you stay this long, man, sneak peek. Hey, damn. Both retail. I know, it's crazy. But hopefully you enjoyed this video, man. Stay tuned. All we gotta do the on feet. And then let's go ahead and put these on feet. These are a different shoe for sure. The opening on these is super duper wide compared to that's like not so wide, kind of small. Yeah, but let's hope these fit. I think my friend Caesar said go true to size. That's what I did. I went a 10, and I usually wear a 10. Dang, these feel a little big though. Now let's put them both on and see what they feel like. Dang, they feel a little big actually. Whoa, these are comfy, dude. These are comfy. Dang, they do fit a little big though. Like may fly off me if I walk too fast. Hold on. But then look, my true size is a size 9.5. And I don't know. A 10 fits me pretty good in Yeezys. But this, I don't know. I gotta test them out a little bit. I don't know if they don't fit. See how that feels? Like these might fall off, I think. Hold on, look at that. But then I'm not gonna go running in these. This is just a casual shoe, you know, pull up to Target. I think I did it on feet earlier on the original clip. I have that. So yeah, hopefully enjoyed this video, man. Stay tuned. Hella new content dropping soon. All that good stuff. And yeah, see you on the next video. So yeah.